What's the meaning of Christmas box? Christmas box. Christmas box.
Christmas box. Christmas box. A Christmas box is a present traditionally given to employees, service people, and tradespeople in the UK, particularly on Boxing Day, December 26. The contents of a Christmas box can vary, but usually contain money, gifts, or food items. The custom dates back to the Middle Ages when tradesmen would collect money in clay boxes, which they would break open on the day after Christmas. Nowadays, the tradition of giving Christmas boxes has evolved into a way to say thank you to those who provide services throughout the year.